This massive waterfront mansion, located on Pittwater, sold for over $20 million. Located in Newport, a luxury suburb on Sydney's northern beaches, this massive 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home sits on over 3,300 square metres of picturesque waterfront land. Step into the realm of architectural magnificence, where design meets the extraordinary. A creation by the acclaimed architect Koichi Takada that transcends the ordinary and embraces a resort-like ambience. Welcome to a home that redefines luxury living, offering immense privacy and a seamless indoor-outdoor flow that frames intimate Pittwater views all the way to Scotland Island. Perched on a premier 3,300 square metre double waterfront block on Newport's exclusive Wentworth estate, this 4-storey concrete and glass marble is not just a residence, it's a feat of engineering. No wonder it proudly holds the title as the 2018 Master Builder Home of the Year. Picture yourself in the superb alfresco areas, complete with an outdoor bar, pizza oven, a heated pool, a sunken lounge, 300 square metres of lawn, a private beach, a boathouse, and even a slipway. 5 bedrooms, including a whole-floor parents' retreat, set the stage for comfort and opulence. Magnificent Calacatta marble kitchens, a butler's kitchen, a home theatre, a study, and a gym provide the perfect balance of elegance and functionality. Your every need is anticipated with a 4-car garage, guest parking, a lift, a temperature-controlled 600-bottle wine cellar, Sonos surround sound, and a smart home system. Every detail from walnut and American oak timber wall panels to sandstone and honed Turkish marble finishes has been carefully chosen to create a harmonious living experience. Waterfront attractions are at your doorstep. Newport Village and its pristine beaches are just a stone's throw away. This residence is not just a home, it's a statement. A celebration of architecture, luxury, and lifestyle. Embrace the extraordinary as you make this unrivaled masterpiece your home. Welcome to Newport's exclusive Wentworth estate, where every moment is a testament to the art of living.